Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the protests here in Thailand. And this is a topic that a lot of people are having a lot of discussions on out there in the internet world. I want to preface this video by saying we are not having a discussion on what's going on with respect to the protests in this video. This video is not to be viewed as providing any type of information regarding a political stance. This video is simply being created to provide some information about the protests themselves and if those protests are having an impact on the U.S. immigration process, specifically the U.S. immigration process for those who are going to be processing their visa through the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok, Thailand. And we are providing some information in this video on that topic and that topic alone, very narrow to that. So while we are discussing the protests tangentially, insofar as we are stating that there are protests occurring, where this is a video for those who are interested in talking about U.S. immigration matters. The reason I'm making this video is some years ago, notably about a decade ago, and it really is sort of awesome to me that it has been that long in many, many ways. But I was dealing with similar circumstances in assisting clients in immigrating to the United States at that time. And yes, in sort of an indirect way, the protests and the sort of situation as it came to evolve at that time did actually have sort of a tangential impact on U.S. immigration insofar as certain of the facilities moved because of logistical concerns surrounding the U.S. Embassy compound, etc. Now, it all sort of resolved itself eventually after again, the situation evolved rather rapidly. We're not going to get into all that, but ultimately, sort of things went back to the status quo ante and cases continued processing. As of the time of this video, it's my personal current experience that no, this situation involving the protests in Thailand is not having an impact on case processing for cases for people who are seeking admission to the United States via the U.S. Embassy here in Thailand. Now, that stated, please note that this could change. You know, I can't predict the future, but as of the time of this video and its publication, no, it has not had a tremendous impact on the process as of this moment. The next thing to take note of is the overall immigration process is still in a state of flux due to the lockdowns and shutdowns and restrictions associated with COVID-19. So on specific information regarding the U.S. Embassy in Thailand and processing of cases out of here, we will keep you updated on that specific issue as the circumstances evolve.